Hello everyone, welcome to part 131 of Laravel 11 series, in which we are creating the e-commerce website with Laravel and MongoDB. So in this part we are going to manage inventory in our for our e-commerce website. We are going to reduce inventory whenever the order get placed. Okay, so like in the COD order, first we are going to check the COD order. Like if the COD order get placed for any particular product, then we are going to reduce the inventory of that product. Suppose right now I'm going to check for one of the product. I'm going to add one of the product uh, from our website. Okay, here I'm going to select one of the product here, and here you can see this is the product ID. I'm going to check for the product and its attributes, its stock as well. So there are two products added, and this is the blue t-shirt. Okay, so I'm going to open its details and we'll check its quantity, and here you can see the stock is small 2, medium 5 and large 5. Okay, so I'm going to place the small size. Okay, and we'll add to cart, and here I'm going to check in the card. Okay, so the product has been added. So if I'm going to place the order for this particular product, then its stock must get reduced to 1. Like if I'm going to place the this order with one quantity, then that one quantity must be reduced from the stock, then the stock will be 1. Okay, so right now if I'm going to place the order for this product, quantity does not reduce at all. You can see that once I will place the order for this product, the quantity will not reduce. Okay, so like I am going to place the order, click on place order, and here you can see the thanks page. The order has been placed, and now I'm going to refresh this page. The quantity will not reduce because we have not added that script. Here you can see the quantity is still stock for the product is still 2. Okay, so it must be reduced to 1, but it is still 2 because we have not added any script that will reduce the stock. Okay, so here I'm going to close the earlier files, and here we are going to follow the instruction that you can find under video, and we are going to add the code in the checkout function where we are placing the order. Okay, in the product controller, in checkout function at the front. So here while we are placing the order, and then we will come up here in the card item save. After saving the product in the card item, okay, uh, okay, after saving the product in the orders product collection, okay, from the card item, from the card item collection, we are going to save in the order product. Okay, one by one we are going to save all the products, and during that time we will check that if the payment gateway is COD, then we are going to reduce that stock. See, only in the case of COD. Okay, but in the case of prepaid methods, we are going to add this code there only. So now see, here we have added the reduce stock script starts. Here first of all we are going to get the current product stock, and after that we are going to reduce that stock with the demanded stock by the user, demanded quantity by the user, and then we are going to update in the collection. Okay, we are going to update the stock for that product. So that code we have added now, and now we are going to place order for this product once again. Okay, so I will select that product, same blue t-shirt. uh, so it is get user card items, syntax error. Okay, so some syntax error, it is saying that some syntax error in our code, and yes, there is some syntax error. We are going to find that what is the syntax error exactly. I think one extra brace, that's why. Okay, now there must be no syntax error. Okay, now we are going to check. Yeah, now it's fine. So once again we are going to add the blue t-shirt with small size into our card. Okay, so I will go to the card page, and then proceed to checkout. Now we are going to place the order, same order once again, and here the quantity must reduce to 1 this time. Let's see, click on place order. Okay, so there is some issue, I think, here, unable to get the site, and make sure there must be a product site instead of site. Okay, variable name is incorrect here also, it must be product site. Okay, so now we are going to do command shift R in Mac and control shift R in Windows. And now there is something else, get product stock, call to undefined method get product stock. Okay, so there is no method added there. uh, Product in product controller, sorry, in products attribute, products attribute, uh, product stock, there is the method product stock. We are going to call this one product stock. Instead of get product stock, we are going to call the product stock. In product stock, we are sending the product id and size. Okay, so we will have updated. So once again, command shift R, continue. And the another one, that is the quantity. Okay, it's the product underscore quantity instead of quantity, so it's the product underscore quantity. Okay, so now once again, command shift R, continue. And this time I think there is no issue, and we able to reduce the product stock by placing the order. Yes, the order has been placed. Now I'm going to refresh and we'll see the stock for this, and the stock has been reduced to 1. Okay, so finally we able to reduce the stock. Okay, so now I am going to buy the 2 quantity of medium product. Okay, so the stock must reduce to 3, as I'm going to buy the 2 quantity. So let's see, let's order for now the 2 quantity of this blue t-shirt. So I'm going to place the order for the 2 quantity of this one, of medium. Okay, of medium. A small 2 quantity is not available, but for medium it is available. So I'm going to add the 2 quantity in card. We'll go to the card. Here you can see the 2 quantity is added. Click on proceed to checkout, and finally place the order with cash on delivery. Agree to terms and conditions. Click on place order. Order has been placed, and now we are going to check. Here must be the 3 instead of 5. Yes, 3 stock is there for medium instead of 5, so it's working fine. Okay, we are able to reduce the stock. So the same thing we are going to add in PayPal orders, for the PayPal orders as well. So we are going to open the PayPal controller, and we'll add there PayPal controller, and we'll add in success function. In success function, we are going to modify this success function, in which we have added this reduce script as well, so that it will reduce the stock every time the payment is successful via PayPal. Okay, so here you can see the success function. So we are going to modify this complete function, and so here you can see, so every time when the order gets placed and its payment is successful via PayPal, then we will reduce its stock from here. Okay, so this is the function, this is the code of reducing the stock that you must add. See, it is similar to this one, and make sure like product stock is there, product size is there. Okay, product stock we have already added the same one. Okay, so the same thing will work there as well. And item product site, so okay, so this is the script that you can add for making it work with the PayPal. So in the next part we will do something else, and also we are going to do the other payment methods that are given here. Okay, so that also we are going to do other payment methods. I'm going to show you those payment methods. I'm going to add one of the products. We are going to work on the other methods, other payment methods that are given in the checkout page. So we are going to I'm going to show you that. To cart, and click on view card, and going to show you those methods. Here we are going to work on these two we have done, direct bank transfer, pay with check. Okay, so this one we can remove because we have already added this one at the top. Okay, so these two methods we're going to work on, okay, in the next part. In the next few videos we're going to do that, and then close the series. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.